Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you trying to make your tutorials more engaging, but don't know how to add clean, professional text overlays to your footage? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to adding and customizing dynamic text callouts inside Camtasia in just seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, open your Camtasia application on your computer to launch your main video production editing interface. Step 2. Load project assets. Press the prominent Import Media button and select the exact files you want to edit into your project. Step 3. Timeline track placement. Long press your imported video file and drag it smoothly down into the primary Track 1 timeline lane. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Access Graphics Panel. Navigate over to the left side Tool Menu Options panel and click directly on the Annotations tab. Step 5. Open Callouts folder. Look at the sub-menu Layout header options at the top of the panel and select the Callouts category. Step 6. Choose Text Preset. Select your preferred text icon style variant from the catalog list to generate a fresh graphic on screen. Step 7. Input Custom Typography. Double-click inside the newly generated canvas box and write the exact informational text your video script requires. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.